Hey guys, I am really excited about today's video because it features two of my favorite people, my daughter Micah and my youngest son Cole. I wanted to share a review of the Lindyn 2-piece sectional with a Chaise that we purchased for our game room, and since they picked it out, I thought it would be fun to hear from them on why they chose this sofa from Ashley Furniture. But first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel, Dori Turner Interiors. I'm Dori and I share DIY home projects and decor ideas that you can easily recreate in your own home. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss anything. All the links I mentioned in this video can be found below in the description box. Also, I want to give you a free copy of my 7 tips to choosing the perfect paint color for your space. Get yours by clicking the link below. A little background before we get started. We decided in the spring to start remodeling our game room to fit the current needs of our 3 kids. Now that they're older, they have different needs for this space than when we moved in 6 years ago. We sat down and made a list of the things they wanted to include in the game room, and one of those things was comfortable seating. We picked a day to go shopping, but our oldest had something come up, so it was up to Micah and Cole to choose without him. So let's turn it over to my kids. All right, hey guys, thanks for sitting down with me to talk about our sectional. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, so before we started shopping, what features were you looking for a sofa in our game room?
Enough space for us to sit on while we are doing things.
All right, so how many couches do you think you sat on before we found this one?
I think we sat on about like 2 couches before we saw the big soft one and wanted to go try that one.
All right, so what made you choose this sectional?
The fluffiness and the way how it felt like a blanket when you sat on it.
All right, so now that we've had it for several months, what are your thoughts? Are you guys glad we got this sofa?
Mm-hmm.
Would you choose it again?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about the sectional?
I really like the soft fabric.
Okay, Cole, what about you? What's your favorite thing?
I like the big part because it feels like a bed so that you can sleep on it.
All right. Okay, well, thanks guys for agreeing to talk with me about our sofa today. We'll see you later. Thanks guys for agreeing to talk about our sofa with me today. One more awesome feature that I'd like to share about this sectional is that the pillow and cushion covers can be removed so that you can wash them if they get dirty. This is fantastic news if you have kids or pets. So there you have it. We love our Lindyn 2-piece sectional with a Chaise from Ashley Furniture, and it's become the go-to place to hang out, take naps on, read, and watch TV. We would definitely purchase this again. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and we will see you soon.